Hello guys, today we are opening an Annihilate EX box with an Annihilate EX and Mankey and a Primeape and 4 packs inside. Let's crack it open. Before we open this box, smash that like and subscribe button and comment down below. Okay, so let's show you Mankey and Primeape promos. Lovely, lovely. Okay, let's get that QR code and check. QR code, lovely. Annihilate EX, let's put that to the side. Lovely, back into the front. Okay. Let's see what packs we have, guys. Okay, so off the bat we have Scotland Violet Paldea Evolve. Lovely, lovely. Oh my days, we have Sword and Shield Lost Origin. Lovely. Oh, another Paldea Evolve. And we have Scotland Violet base set, which we don't see often on this channel. Lovely, lovely to have one of them. Okay, let's get into the Lost Origin first. Okay, let's crack it open. So these packs we put 4 in the front, since they are Sword and Shield packs. Okay, so we have our QR code, lovely. Okay, 4 to the front. Okay. Fighting Energy. Kamala. Toolbox. Hariyama. Shinx. Litwick. Oddish. Love Disc. Felix. Reverse Holo Vileplume. And Holo Margina. Lovely. Let's crack open a Paldea Evolve pack. Yes. Okay, so these packs we put 1 in the front. 1 to the front. QR code. 1 to the front. Psychic Energy. Rookedy. Magnemite. Flanks. Combi. Mismagius. Brown Belbgast. Toxicroak. Reverse Holo Crocodile. Reverse Holo Orocodio and Holo Sulege. Lovely. Okay, so base set Scarlet and Violet. Let's crack it open. QR code. 1 to the front. Fire Energy. Cobra. Bishop. Riolu. Gogo. Apria. Arvin. Katroon. Reverse Holo Medichan. Reverse Holo Crocodile and Holo Chlorf. Okay, our final pack. Guys, smack that like button and subscribe button to give us a look and comment down below for more content, please, Jordan, if you haven't already. Okay, so QR code. We don't need to put 1 in the front. We don't need to put. Okay, so we have Grass Energy, Nickel, Fuecoco, Wetterl, Tink, Kilowattle, Azumaril, this Queen, Reverse Hollow Mankey, Reverse Hollow Crossway, and Hollow Sableye. Okay, let's get our hits of today. So we have Primeape, Annihilate EX, and Mankey. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.